Sometimes customers ask us, why should they take payments in Salesforce anyways? We love this question. Let's take a deeper look at the benefits for your organization. One main benefit is that most organizations that are using Salesforce are focused on having all of their customer data in a single place. And this is for good reason. When your customer data is in one system, it is simple to roll up all of your data into many reports. Those reports are going to give you the data needed to make informed decisions quickly. The benefit is clear. When organizations make database decisions, they're able to more easily improve their organizations. They can improve their bottom lines, keep their customers happier for longer. The second big benefit is the process integration. So think about if you're a manufacturer that wants to do an express RMA. This is a typical situation where your customer wants to pay a fee to get their replacement before they give you back the defective goods. And in the past, that payment would have been processed possibly by a different person, possibly in a different system, possibly by a different department altogether. This results in a delay, sometimes of hours, sometimes of days, in assisting your customer. Now, as your service agents are already in the Salesforce Service Cloud, that's where they manage all of their customer interactions now. The agent would simply just click a button and take that card number right there inside the process. The customer in this situation is going to be happy, as this was simple and it was efficient. For our large enterprise customers, we commonly see that the call center agents, while they work inside Salesforce to service the customers, these enterprises oftentimes have a legacy back-end billing system. Now, this might be an AS400 or some other legacy mainframe that's been chugging along, doing its job reliably for years. Those old systems are very good at what they do, and they simply don't get changed very often. One wouldn't want the call center agents logging into the mainframe to enter customer payment data details. Instead, it makes sense to allow those call center agents to simply collect a credit card number in Salesforce while they're on the phone with the customer, and then have that cardholder data tokenized securely by your gateway. And then in turn, your CRM system, Salesforce, can pass it back to the legacy billing system, where that billing system can continue to do its job. This tokenized-only model, it's very popular with enterprise call center clients because it's so simple and efficient. Businesses that send an order form for e-signature and then also want to collect a credit card payment directly afterwards, that definitely should be inside Salesforce, right? This could be all subscription businesses, which of course would include companies like ours, right? We're a SaaS software company. And keeping payments inside of Salesforce for subscription businesses, it just makes sense. Using Chargent in Salesforce allows your agents to be logged into fewer systems, making their day easier. And it's also going to increase your information security, and it's going to decrease agent turnover. As well, it's going to improve the granularity of who has access to what information. Organizations keep payments inside of Salesforce to keep their payment data more secure. Okay, let's review. I believe that there are three primary reasons why businesses decide to accept payments inside of Salesforce. One is to keep their data clean and to keep it all in one place for simple reporting. This benefits organizations by helping them make better decisions more quickly, as they can see all the information right there in one place. Two is that Salesforce is the place where the front office does business, and it's best to keep your payments in the hands of the people doing those processes, the people that work directly with your customers. The benefit here is a streamlined process, and that is going to increase your bottom line, as well as increase your employee happiness, which drives customer happiness, which in turn drives sustainability in your business. Third is that your payment data will be highly secure. You'll be able to control precisely who has access to what information. Salesforce will keep your data secure. Knowing this enables you to have savings because you won't have to hire additional IT operations, compliance, and security staff who are hard to find anyways. And not to mention, you can sleep well at night, knowing that your customers' protected cardholder data has been securely stored at the payment gateway using the latest and greatest in tokenization and PCI standards. In closing, I also want to add that by further extending the power of Salesforce by taking payments, you're increasing the value that your organization receives from your Salesforce investment. And while these are not all of the benefits that you could possibly realize by adding payment capabilities to your Salesforce organization, I do believe that these are some of the key benefits that are going to apply to most every organization. If you're ready to realize these benefits, please click the link on your screen to reach out to us. As always, the Chargent team is here to help. Hey, thank you for watching our video. And while you're here, please subscribe to our channel. Click that notification bell for immediate updates. And if you'd like to talk payments, please get in touch. We're always here to help.